What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this will be a hair video. I got a silk press last week, I want to say last Wednesday, and I haven't, first of all, I haven't had a silk press, I want to say, in like 2.5 years. So my hair has like definitely grown. I'll turn around and show y'all how much my hair has grown, because of course, you know, throughout time, wearing wigs, you really need to protect your hair and get your trims. Even though you're not wearing your hair, you still need to get your trims, right? So I started trimming my hair last year, and I've been doing it consistently and faithfully, and my hair has really grown. Like last year, I had to cut a lot of hair. This was like last April, and my hair has definitely grown. I should have taken a before picture. Yes, so the purpose of this video, as you see, my hair is very oily. It got oily throughout time, and on top of that, I got the COVID vaccine. So yesterday and like the night before, I was sweating like very bad, and my hair is paying for it. So I will be doing a how to stretch your hair dry shampoo on silk press video. I have used a dry shampoo before on my hair, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think black girls could use dry shampoo on their straight hair, but apparently we can. So I'm gonna do that today, and I'm gonna use the Aussie Bounce Back dry shampoo. I don't know if you guys can necessarily see it, but this is what I will be using on my hair today. And apparently you can use dry shampoo on your hair. So I am going to follow the instructions, and it says, let's see, it is with Australian sea kelp, oil absorbing, and yay to awesome hair days. And it also gives volume. We need that in these streets. So let me just go ahead and get started. I'm going to, first of all, comb my hair back, and I'm going to part my hair like right here under my ear or behind my ear. And the parts don't have to be perfect, but you kind of want to like part your hair in sections for this. Then afterwards, I'm gonna just bump my hair, because as you guys saw in the front, I had a couple of dents and issues. So I'm gonna put it there. All right, so I'm gonna take this, and the instructions say shake well like nobody's watching, and spray 5 to 6 inches away from the scalp, absorb into roots, brush out, and wink at yourself and go about your glorious day. So that's what I'm gonna do. And as you shake it, the can is gonna get cold. So that's how you know, like, it'll be ready. And I'm gonna shake this as much as possible. So here we go. Hold on, there we go. Smells good. Ooh, that's a major difference, child. 'Cause baby, this was oily. Oh, that's a major difference. Ooh, we are back in action. I was concerned. All right, and then I'm going to do another part. And I'm taking big parts, y'all. Like, it don't have to be perfect. I'm just going around my head. And we're gonna do that, comb it out first. take this and spray. And what I like about this so far, it's not leaving like any type of residue. So TBH, I'm not mad at that. Ooh. Yes, we are okay. We're on our way. We are on our way. We're on our way. We are on our way. Back in the game. Back in the game. Because let me tell you something. This is an awesome way to like avoid putting like too much heat into your head, because like I told y'all, my hair is very, I don't like to say my hair is thin. My hair is very soft. And you know, I don't get silk presses that much, but when I was getting silk presses, I want to say in like 2015, 2016, I was at the salon maybe like every 2 weeks, because I really wanted like my silk presses to last. And I was like, okay, I didn't feel comfortable with like putting that much heat in my head, and I just saw like my hair getting damaged from the heat. And I was just like, okay, it gotta be a way that we can do this. So I Googled like dry shampoo, and I also YouTube, you know, can like black girls use dry shampoo on silk press, dry shampoo on black hair, dry shampoo on natural hair, and so many videos came up. So I was like, okay, and they were really good videos. So I bought some dry shampoo and I used it, and when I tell y'all, it was fan-freaking-tastic. So I'm gonna just part this down the middle. And put that over there. And part this. That way. Spray, spray, shake, shake, shake. Also, yes. Ooh, look at that. My hair looks so much better, and I'm also getting volume too, so that's a plus. Okay. And the other side, we're just gonna comb this out. And you see the difference between this side and this side? It looks so good. Okay, anyway. And I'm just gonna like kind of just do it one last go pass all over, even under. Okay, everybody, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.